The POCO Pad C1 is marketed as an affordable tablet that supposedly delivers a long battery life and exceptional value for money. But the real question is it actually the best budget tablet on the market or just another low-cost tablet with a few compromises? Now, to be fair, the budget tablet market has improved significantly. Devices that once felt slow and outdated can now handle streaming, web browsing, studying, and light productivity quite comfortably. What it does well: large 2K 120Hz display. The 9.7-inch display offers a sharp 2048 by 1280 resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, which is uncommon at lower price points. Strong battery life. Its 7,600 mAh battery is designed to deliver all-day usage for media consumption, reading, and general productivity. Where the hype falls apart, it is not the most powerful budget tablet. This is the biggest issue. The Snapdragon SIXS Gen 2 is an entry-level chipset that may struggle with demanding games and heavy multitasking. The cameras are basic. The 8MP rear and 5MP front cameras are adequate for video calls, but not much else. 120 Hz doesn't guarantee flagship performance. A smooth display helps navigation feel faster, but overall responsiveness still depends on the processor. So, is the POCO Pad C1 the best budget tablet on the market? Short answer: probably not the absolute best, but it looks like a strong contender for people who prioritize display quality, battery life, and affordability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.